Hello, it's me, Haggy, and today I'm going to convert this wall light right here. And I downloaded the Sims 2 version from the Ninth Wave Sims, and he allows conversions. So I'm going to convert that one. And I've already opened it with SimPE right here. I'm going to export the texture image. This one has two, so I'll export both of those. Export that one. And I'm going to export the geometric data container. If I move it over, we can see it. Now I'm done with that. And there they are in my file. I'm going to open Sims 4 Studio. Select Create a 3D Mesh and Object. And we're going to make a wall light. So let's pick that one because that one goes on the wall. Let's see, there's a bigger one. And look at the other ones. Yeah, we'll go with that one. Why not? Okay, I'm going to export the mesh. Give it a name. I'm going to double click the file to open it. Now I'm going to import the wavefront object. Do that right? Import wavefront. I need to get back to the desktop. That's my problem. I am on the desktop. Ice coffee table right there. Wall light right there. Okay, now we're going to bring this one down. I'm going to type G for grab and Z for lowering it. And I'm going to put it, center it on this one that's here. G, Y to bring it forward. I need to bring it forward some more. Is that a piece of this? Can we undo? I'm going to undo that to see if that, I think that's a piece of this. No, it's inside of there. Why would we need that? I really don't think we need that. GY. Bulb glow. I don't think we need that for this. I'm going to see what happens if we just delete it. GY again. And I'm going to put it flat up against that red line, which is where the wall would be. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. GZ. I could change the size or shape of this if I wanted to. But let me bring it sideways. I'm not going to do that right now. GX. I'm just going to do a basic conversion to keep it easy. Y. Undo, I didn't want to do Y, I do that all the time. GX. Now I've kind of centered it over that. Doesn't have to be perfect. This one is, let's see what the cut number is. Cut 1. So we can delete that. X, delete. And we're going to change this one to cut 1. File, save as, and it's isolate now. We're going to save it as a Blender file. Import the mesh. Am I saving all this on the desktop? I am. That's okay. Now, I need to import the correct texture for that, which is in my file here. It had two, but they both look like they're the same. And it looks good. And this thing has a wall shadow. Let's just change the shape to look like the size of that. I can find the shadow. There it is. I'm going to scale it, so I'll take S and X to scale it sideways, and we'll scale it up. So I'll type S and Z, and I'm going to do G for grab and Z just to move it up and center it behind there a little bit. Let's move it over the other side. GX to move it sideways a little bit. And that looks good. Let's save that. Save. Now let's import it again. Import, not that, the mesh. Import. Import the mesh. The desktop. The mesh is on the desktop. The ice wall light. And let's do a save right here. Now we're going to do a medium LOD. I'm going to click the wrench, add modifier, decimate. Stop doing that. Not that. Hey, what are you doing? Stop it. And I am decimating the wrong thing. It's the shadow. I want to decimate this. Add modifier, decimate. That's my laundry. My laundry is done. And I don't want to decimate it too much. Do you know, if I barely even move it, it's making big holes. So I am not going to decimate this. I'm just going to use the same one for all of the LODs. Let's see what the high was. Yes, it doesn't have a high polygon count. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the same one. Ice wall light. And below the ice wall light. And now we need to do the shadows. This, we're going to type X and delete it. Go to here, make this 0. Save as the shadow. Save. Now we're just going to use the same shadow for all 3 LODs. Import the mesh, one light shadow, medium, import, shadow, and low. We're going to import the shadow. Now we have the texture already. Let's go into the warehouse, import that, and this we're going to import the gray, blank gray picture too. And the catalog, we're going to change the name to something. There we go. We're just going to change it to wall light. That's what we're going to do. We're going to credit the Nightwave Sims. And we're just going to make this $35. That's what I think. You can put whatever price you want. We got the texture. We need to say change this to close to the color, somewhat like the color of the object. Let's see, like that looks good. Save. And now I'm going to pause and start my game, put this package in my game and see how it works. Okay, I'm in game. The light looks great. It's on the wall, touching the wall. I can move it up and down. And over there, I have it on the wall and you can see it lights up. It works great. And I have made that in 14 minutes. So if I can do it, you can do it too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.